The Mpow X6. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Mpow X6, which feature active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The X6 features 5 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.1, active noise cancellation, transparency, and low latency mode. Touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX6 waterproof. The case has a slim, compact design. It has a matte finish all around and it's easy to grip. On the top, you have the Mpow branding. And on the front, you'll find the status LED lights. On the back is a USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the matte and glossy finish inside. This has wireless charging and you can see it here on the charger activate. The earbuds have a small profile and the finish is just like the case with the matte finish. Ear markings are on the inside face and the outer face has a large surface for the touch controls along with the branding. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, sensor, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. To toggle A and C in the transparency mode, just hold down the left side for 2 seconds and you will hear a voice prompt. The case comes in at 2.4 by 1 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 44 grams and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? The town knows simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Town knows little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this wet, tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up, I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this wet, tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up, 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm by my...
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow X6 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds independently left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the X6. They created a snug fit and seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls are a plus since it will help alleviate additional pressure. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds do feel durable. I like the gold accenting with the branding and around the microphone. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and they responded well. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, coming in at 5 hours and 30 total with the case. I like the wireless charging along with the IPX6 rating, so this should give you protection from the elements. The ANC feature can cancel up to 28 decibels of sound. I found it to work okay, nothing exceptional. The transparency feature does work well as the microphone picks up your surroundings loud and clear. Now when it comes to the sound, the bass has its presence. Although it's not the overwhelming bass like the M13, it comes in a bit more subtle, but definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. And it doesn't get overwhelmed by the bass. I felt the sounds are balanced and was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I found the ANC feature should just be okay on the earbuds, and the sounds delivered if you're familiar with the Mpow sound signature. This does come in at a crowded price point as many of the sub 100 earbuds are now including ANC and transparency. So that is my review of the Mpow X6 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.